All right, well, welcome back to Sinister Sidney 222 in one day.
Welcome to Sinister Sidney.
This is especially for Harold Kynes. You said video or it didn't happen. So I took my Leapy, somebody tell me how to pronounce that. Got it down here. I've got a little soundtrack. Now this is only 15 watt. That's all it is. But it inputs SD card, USB, RCA inputs. It's got a tuner on it. Puts out 2 channels. It is stereo. So nice little thing. I think it cost me 15-20 bucks when I got it. I just ordered a couple more. They're a little bit more expensive. But anyway, so he said video or it didn't happen. So okay guys, get ready. I don't know how well my camera's going, or my phone's going to record this volume wise, but we'll just see. We'll turn it up halfway. Oops, let's turn it up halfway. I forgot I paused it. Here we go. Nope, that's not halfway. We'll go all the way. Up there. So I'd say, yeah, that does pretty good volume. What do you think? 15 watts. So, yeah, pretty loud. They will probably be separated a little bit more than that when I put them out on the trail. I'm going to have them off to the sides and behind the trees, kind of. It is this audio track. That was my ambient war audio track. That's not my bombs. This one will be going off so that I've got constant things going on with my guys running around and oh, there we go. Hey, how you doing? Anyway, so yeah, there you go, Harold. There's video, so it happened. See you in the funny pages. Okay, so it appears that my phone has automatic clipping. So it was loud, but it brought it down. I guess that's a good thing if I want to record concerts. This another nice little audio track I've got going. This one is for my saloon, my Western City. So anyway, yeah, so the sound, you could tell that I was yelling in the other one because I couldn't hear myself over the volume, but the phone did clip it down. Anyway, so yeah, this is nice. You know, I did find it funny though, the tuner on here, the only station I can pick up at my haunt on the tuner is a religious station, so I'm not sure what that's trying to tell me. Anyway, see you in the funny pages. All right, one more thing. Yeah, in conjunction with my Perfect Storm 2.0. Now I got speaker over there. I already adjusted volumes and what have you, and sensitivity so that it wasn't on constantly. I got some work lights over there, and we'll just turn it back on. So, yeah, it's working. It's very nice. Bear in mind that's not the track that will be doing the lights. My bomb track does the lights. Harold, don't give me crap for it. But anyway, so yeah, we'll have these going on with the bombs going off, and should be cool. I picked up some military outfits. I got a mixture of military outfits for running around in that area. I got your basic Ranger jumpsuit. And, where is it? There it is. Ranger jumpsuit. I got a full U.S. Army. We've got a full sailor outfit. Dress blues sailor outfit. There's another army jacket. What do I got here? I got a, I'm not sure what exactly, some type of dress jacket. There's an emblem on there. I got that one. And then I've also got, where to go? This one's more, this was from the costume shop. I'm sure it was for a show. I'm not sure what period really it is. I'm thinking, you know, Napoleon period or before. Looks nice, looks cool. Have somebody run around in that. Got some cool gas masks, of course, that they can wear to be running in the fog. Have the fog go. I'm kind of hyped about this. This is going to be a good little area. It's going to be right next to my western town, so we'll see about bleeding sound. But you know, trial and error, and you figure it all out as you go. So anyway, one more time, last time today. See you in the funny pages.